So hello everyone, welcome to my new video. My name is Abdul Rahman Salim and you are watching Get the Knowledge. So friends, like every day I'm going to teach you about a new thing, and this topic is known as the states of matter. So look, the one who does not know, I'm going to tell him that there are three types of matters. There are solid, liquid and gas, okay? So there are three types of matters: solid, liquid, gas. But today I'm going to tell you something more interesting about this, and that thing is there are not three states of matter, but in fact there are four states of matter. So did you got shocked? Well, if you got, then please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you want a shout out in this video, then you can write your name in the comment, then I will give you a shout out. So if you want it, like to my video and subscribe to my channel, then I can give you a shout out in this video. So if you want to know that what's the fourth state of matter, I will tell you in the end, and please don't skip a single second and watch the full video till the end, because if you skip it, you lose it. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So guys, look, if you don't know about the state of matter, then let me tell you. These are the three states and these are the matters, okay? 1, 2, 3, and as well as you know that there are three types of matter that the teachers explain you about is the solid, liquid and gas. But only some of the people know that there are four types of matters. And please don't skip a single second and watch the full video till the end, because the fourth one I am gonna tell you in the end. And the ones who don't know the state of matter, first let me explain them very clearly so that they can also know about the state of matter. So look, number one is the solid, as you know, and if you don't know, I am telling you. So solid are the tightly packed particles, okay? So here I am drawing these things, okay? This is for example, don't take it seriously. This is for example only. I draw here these tightly closed particles. Can you see any type of space in them? No, they are literally connected with each other, okay? So for example, here I have a solid thing. Okay, this one is a solid thing, and when I cut, and this is a solid, and when I cut them into pieces, then only they can split. And when I keep it on my hand, it doesn't move frequently on its own, okay? It doesn't move, but when I take it and I put there, then only it can move. And these are not like liquid that if you put in any type of container, then they change their shape. No, these solid things does not change their shape, and they can only change their shape if I melt them, or in another ways by cutting them. Only they can do that. For example, I have this finger is a knife, and now I cut this. So look, now they are splitted in half. So same way is here also. If I cut this, then only they can break apart. So that's why they are known as the solid. Now the another example is the liquid. Okay. So look, liquid are the loosely packed cells. Okay, but they are not packed also. They have only little space in them. Okay, they are not connected. They are not connected with each other, but they have only little space here. Okay, so they are loosely packed. You can see here. They are loosely packed. They are not like the solid. Okay, they are loosely packed. For example, I have a liquid container here. Okay, so this is the liquid liquid container. Now this container has a liquid inside. Okay, as you can see here, this container has a liquid inside. And now when I flip this thing here, then look, the liquid can take its shape. As you can see here, there are bumps here. Okay, so the liquid takes the shape of this, and when I do like this, then the liquid takes the shape of the container. So that's because they move frequently, and they are not joined with each other. Here is the example of the bubbles also. Look, these particles are the bubbles, and they move here and there. So the thing which moves frequently, we call them as a liquid. Okay. And when you and another thing, there's a doubt in your mind that when you take a cup of water and you put inside the sugar inside the cup of water, okay, then if you put too much sugar, then the sugar does not dissolve inside the water. Why? Because the water has a limit. The liquid has a limit, as I have told you here, that they are loosely packed particles. And here I have a glass of water, and here is this much water only. And now if I put the less quantity of them, then the sugar will dissolve, and if it will be more than that, the sugar does not. This is because the sugar takes the sugar. If I made here another round here, okay, if I made a circle here, then you can assume that this circle is a particle of sugar. Okay, this is particle of a sugar. So one particle here, one particle here, one here, one here, here, and etc. So look, now this thing is loosely packed or this thing is closely packed. Now these things are closely packed now. Okay, there is no space, and when you add extra sugar there, now there is no space here, so that's why the sugar does not dissolve inside the water. So that's the reason of it. Okay, so now the third one is the gas. Now the third one is the gas. Now look, its particles are like this. Okay, its particles are like this, and they move frequently here and there. The gas examples are like oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, and etc. So these type of gases, we cannot see them, but we can only feel them. Okay, so this one I have taught you. I have taught you that the three things: solid, liquid, and gas. And now the moment of truth is here. The moment you have been waiting for, and this fourth state of matter is semi-solid. Yes, I know that you are hearing this word for the first time here. Semi-solid. Okay, this thing, the fourth matter is the semi-solid, and you know that how this thing looks like. Here I have this thing. So look, this thing has a paste inside. Okay, this thing has a paste inside, and the paste, the consistency of the paste we call them as the semi-solid. So they are half liquid, and half solid. Okay, the solid plus liquid equals to semi-solid. The paste, like the toothpaste or body lotion or cream, etc. So that type of thing we call them as the semi-solid. And if you know then you can write in the comment down below that you know it already. And if you don't know, then here I have taught you about the four types of matter that no teacher have ever taught you about. And now I have taught you in this video. So solid, liquid, gas, and semi-solid. Okay, whenever the teacher asks you that name three states of matter, you name four states of matter: solid, liquid, gas, and semi-solid. So guys, that's all for today. I hope that you enjoyed and you have understand the states of matter, that there are not three states of matter, but actually there are four states of matter, and I've taught you all of them in detail and in short. And if you like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and you can write in the comment down below, then only I will give the shout out of your name in my another video. So I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.